Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can find your Discord ID. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Discord application on your PC and make sure you are logged in with your Discord account. After logging in, you'll be brought to your account's homepage. You can see that I cannot see my ID or copy it right now. If I try to see my friend's ID, you can see that there's no such option available. The first thing you need to do is simply open up your Discord settings. Scroll down to Advanced under App Settings. Now just make sure that your developer mode is turned on. Now if you try to copy anyone's Discord ID, you can see that the option is now available. If you tap over on a profile, you can see that you can also copy your own Discord ID as well. And that's how you can find your Discord ID. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.